Hello and welcome to our kitchen. Now, we're here in the kitchen because we're going to do a luggage review, which is just the right timing because we're about to head off to Spain next week. Thank you so much to Level8 who is sending the luggage through.
True. We are going to do a luggage review.
We're not going to do a luggage review?
We are going to do a luggage review.
Okay.
But before we do the luggage review, we're going to have a little trip down memory lane.
Okay.
So, thank you. 1 second.
Chocolate. Ah, that's not chocolate. What is this? Well, I know what it is, but why have you bought this here?
Do you remember what this bad boy is?
It is our big suitcase. Well,
is.
that kind of has been around for a long time and been to a lot of places.
It is.
Yeah.
Do you know where this came from? Like the first time you saw this?
No, I thought it's been around forever.
This is what I moved to England with.
Really?
Yeah.
This exact one?
Yeah, me and my sister went around to the shops and literally found the biggest suitcase that they would allow me to take on the flights. I've moved my entire life to England in this thing.
Lovely.
But it
Yeah.
has seen better days.
Yeah, it
There's-
has looked better.
Holes in it, there's like straps missing, and it's time to retire it because
Yeah. The other thing
it's gotta go.
The other thing is, basically, we've just accumulated luggage over the years. We've never ever bought a set. We've just gone like, I had one, you had one. Then that was it. Then we had children, and we're like, oh, we need to buy another one. So we bought another one. So we definitely need an upgrade. Are we ready to go?
Actually look like travel vloggers with like matching suitcases.
Look at this. Look at us
Like
growing
we know
up.
what we're doing.
Growing up.
With this.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh, ready?
Yeah,
Claps,
do it,
ready?
do it.
Woo! So sexy.
Well, to be fair, we have been, because we are quite old and we've been watching luggage develop over the years, we've been like, oh look, they've invented ones that spin around. We'd like one of those.
We have
That'd
one
be
like
good.
that.
Yeah.
One mismatched one like that.
Obviously, there's a few different bits that we can go through, and some will go into a little tiny bit more detail than others, and others will just skim past kind of thing. So, first of all, what do you think of the style and the look of it?
I really like it actually. It's really cute. Look at this. It's got their little logo. It's like a little suitcase with wheels. I think that's really cute.
It's nice, isn't it?
I really like it actually. It's got I know it's a suitcase, but like I do really like it. It's got you can put it on both sides. It's got little things there.
Two handles, so handle there.
Yeah.
Handle there.
I love the wheels every way, which I know
What
is
about-
common now, but
Ooh,
yeah,
Good.
that's nice.
Oh, good action. If you know.
Again, another little thing, but like, what does this do? Here.
Yeah, there's zips. Now, this is how you undo
Go on then.
a suitcase.
It's like,
Okay, so they're locked. They've
oh!
got the lock on them, and they've got.
Oh, so the zips are locked in
Yeah,
place.
yeah.
That's cool. So like, I was just trying to open it then, and like, no one will know how to open it because you have to undo the lock and then the zips unlock.
And the cool thing is, this is the part I was going to actually stop for a second and go through it a little bit more. It's got the TSA certification on it, which means TSA, for those who aren't from the States, is basically the American Border Force Control people who walk you through airport security, that kind of stuff. Now, if they want to open your bag, they can open it at any time. And if it's locked, they basically can do whatever they want to get into it. So that I've seen in airports, people's wrapped with cellophane or bits ripped off or like zips ripped off where they've got into it and just have a little note inside.
So
TSA, we're here.
So how do they get into it?
So we are the only people that know the code. So we've got the code, but then next to it is a TSA lock, which they can open and do it themselves.
Clever.
Okay. So just to open it, flick like that, and we're ready to open it. Is there anything else I want to? Oh yeah, it's quite light, and it's kind of this polycarbonate kind of bulletproof. It's not bulletproof, but it feels like it's that kind of military grade stuff as
Doesn't
well.
feel like it's going to get marked very much, which I think is very important.
Yeah.
Because they get thrown around a lot.
Go on then, you open
By
it.
our family, primarily.
Have a look inside.
Do that, and I put it on the side. Actually, I'd open it on the side. Ta-da! Ooh! It's got, it kind of keeps everything compartmentalized. Oh, that's nice.
Go on,
Like
what do you like about it?
a big
So you can keep
compartment
everything can go in here,
Like your jeans
and it can stay in
Shirts
there,
and
can't
stuff like
it? Which is
that.
good.
yeah.
Keeps it all fresh. Actually, what I'd probably does everyone do this, or is it just a me thing? I'd probably have, to start the holiday, I'd be everything in these two, and then I'd probably be putting my dirty laundry in one of them, and that's the dirty laundry
Or you
section.
bring a dirty laundry bag. What I would do, so you've got that, which is cool, and then you've got some little pockets here, which I like. So
toiletries?
This is really cool. No, so you've got like your big stuff there.
Yeah.
And then you can have like your pants here, your bras here, which as a woman you know is always very annoying because you're looking for like your socks and your pants and your bras, and they're all floating about. So like having 2 pockets, not even just one, to kind of keep them separated and organized is really cool.
So you don't need like storage cubes, the packing cubes?
Not really. Like, I mean, you could still put some in. There's plenty of space to put some in, but you could also just use those because you've basically already got 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
But what I really like is that both of those zip up. So you've got all your stuff there, but say you have like a jacket that you need as soon as you get there.
Yeah.
Right? So you need as soon as you get off the plane, or a sweatshirt or a change of shoes or something like that, right? That you don't want to dig through your whole suitcase. There's still room to like put it in the middle.
Great idea.
And you don't disrupt any of your suitcase.
How have you never done a review like this before? Because you're actually really good at it.
Well, thank you. It's a hidden quality of mine.
Very well hidden. What was I going to say?
I have lots of opinions. No one usually wants to hear them though. Until you stick a camera on me. They're forced to because I'm on the toilet right now.
No, they can
nothing
fast forward
else to do.
So this side you can basically fit everything in because that's flat.
Yeah, that's quite deep as well, that side.
This side does have where the handle bit comes up, of course. So there's a bit of a
they've
lump
all
there.
got that now, anyways.
You could put socks and boxes and things and manage that, couldn't you? Yeah, the other cool thing about this, which I really like about this, which we're from that era, which we're not used to these mesh things. A lot of you have probably got the mesh thing and like what they're talking about. But the fact is, when you normally open up your suitcase, it's an absolute mess and it's all going everywhere. Here, I've got one of the sections or 2 of the sections that won't fall on me and just be getting out of hand. So you literally just go straight in. That sounds so simple and stupid. Nice, I like it. So this is the black one. It's 20 inches and it's got 40 litres, which means you can put 40 litres of water inside or whatever beverages you want to put inside there.
I don't think I'll drink that much water.
So when we compare them to the other ones, you find out how many litres it actually fills inside. And it's 4.7 kilograms if you lift it up. That's empty, okay? And most of them will let you have up to 20, won't they, in there?
It's very light.
Okay, you ready for your next one?
Let's go.
Do you want to clap and magic it a new one in, or should I just wheel it in? Whoa! How do you do it? Well, now we've got a big boy, haven't we? We've got a bit of an upgrade. Hey, we were talking...
This feels like it's as big as the other one, but surely this is like allowed to go on the plane, right? Like.
Oh, 100%.
But this feels really big. Like,
so this one...
bigger than any of our other suitcases that we have like checked bag sizes of. This feels really big.
So this is 28 inches instead of the 20 we had before. And do you remember what the stats were? How many litres was the last one?
40.
Oh, well remembered. This one is 105.
Oh my.
So lots and lots and lots more space. Funnily
I don't
enough,
think I
though,
have this much stuff.
it's doubled the amount of size, but the weight of it is actually only 3 pounds.
Well, this is why it's like
more.
shocking, because it looks really light, and I have a feeling that like they've just made this like outer bit super duper thin, so there's gonna be tons of space inside.
It's huge. Right, let's do the spin test. Will it work? Oh, lovely spin. Passes the spin test for sure. We've got the same bits again, so it's got the TSA locks. Should we check the action?
Yeah.
Oh, does it go through? Oh, that's probably right.
I feel like it's like sturdy enough for when my children inevitably like sit on it. Or when I inevitably sit on it when I'm really tired. Okay, let's be honest. Yeah.
Okay, go on. Open it. Let's see what this has got.
That's very satisfying.
Was that as good as you thought?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, reveal to the camera.
Woo!
So this is great because I love the fact we've got the mesh again. I know I'm a bit excited about the mesh, but I didn't think it would come in the big ones, and also really love that you still get the same area to put things in for the laundry bits or toiletries and things. You can still compartmentalise that as well. Inside this part, huge area, because I said I think it was 105 litres, and you can also pack it in. That's good, and you can stretch that up to there.
Make sure your jute doesn't wobble around or anything.
Yeah. And the other good thing is, like, again, when you get this kind of size suitcase, you're looking for something and you don't know, normally in a suitcase, it's all just underneath. You're just tugging everything out. you know, well, you might have to check both sides, but one side just stays fresh, and the other side, like you're saying, with this new mesh system, we're going to call it. It's called a system now, just not just mesh. You could put stuff in the middle, and it's quick to get out.
Yeah,
and actually, one of those things where sometimes we got you presents or something like
yeah.
and then you're digging through all of your stuff. You're like, this is so embarrassing. Whereas suddenly,
but your bras are falling out and your dirty shoes.
we're gonna have to try this out and find out what can you put in the middle. That's the thing for the comments. Tell us what you would put in the middle, or what have you put in the middle.
A 7-year-old.
We did put a 7-year-old.
Can you put a 7-year-old? Can you fit an 8-year-old in yours? I don't know.
Please remember, put your comments in there so we can find out what you do with your packing and any packing tips as well. That is number 2 of this range. Comes in a few different colours as well. Take your pick, what you like. Oh, by the way, in case I forget, these are all available on Amazon in any country as well. We've put the links below, of course. And it's one of those things where if you do click on that link, you don't pay any extra for it, but we might get a kickback. So it's a really cool way for you to get what you're going to get anyway, and we get something to help plan our next trip or something to help keep the channel going as well, which is really cool.